Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Today we are going to color the sea beach drawing, Dadar chowpaty drawing. This is the third part of Dadar chowpaty drawing. In first part we have visited Dadar chowpaty. In second part we have done the sketch of Dadar chowpaty, and today we are going to color Dadar chowpaty drawing in glamorous colors. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my videos in all your groups. And please see complete video, then you can understand the each step of coloring well.
Let us stick the masking tape in the border of the drawing, then drawing will be stable. We are going to color this drawing with Rangila color, 35 rupees, tempera color. They are very bright and beautiful. These are the Rangila tempera colors. First, let us apply the sand color for the background, ochre yellow color. Behind my building, one building construction is going on, and so many sounds are coming. I can't help it. This ochre yellow color we are going to apply all over the sand, means ground of the chowpaty. We have colored the total ground with ochre yellow color. Now let us give the sand effect with toothbrush spray painting for this sand. Catch this very close to the paper so other figures will not get spoiled with this color. This sprinkling effect of sand. We have completed the toothbrush spray painting all over. Let us color here light green color. This is the advanced technology card of nariyal pani, coconut water. We are coloring the umbrella also with light green and yellow color. Let us color the dresses of all people in multicolors. Red color, green, purple color, fluorescent yellow color, red color, light blue shading, texture of faded jeans, lines of purple, beautiful beach umbrella and chair with rainbow colors, light green color, baby pink color, dark green color frock of small girl, his shirt with brown, just spread it with water for shading. Orange color, chrome yellow color, orange color, red color dill shaped balloon, dark blue romper of the boy, red color, here also red for his pagadi, brown color here, for the base of this merry-go-round, different color cars, attractive colors, coloring of horse buggy with silver color. It gives get up. Yellow color, purple plus white lavender color, colorful ice cream car, बुढ़ी का बाल or गुड्डी का बाल. It is sweet and done with sugar syrup in a big machine. Purse with golden color, beautiful sunset with yellow, orange and red color, sky blue color, let us merge some white color in it. Sea waves with different patch colors, strokes of white color, black color and shading. Now let us do the coloring of stalls. Attractive colors, balloons with multicolors, brown plus black color for the tree trunk of coconut tree, shading with black color, tender coconuts with light green color, color of the leaves light green plus black color, olive green color. Let us give the strokes, bushes with stumping technique. We can use dark green color also here. Coloring of pizza, grey color, shading of wall with stone effect. Let us color all the figures with different shades of skin color. First plain coloring and then shading. Shading with brown color. Same method we are going to follow in all the figures. Yellow skin color. Brown shading here also. Shading gives the dimension to the figures. See, our skin color work is over now. Now we are going to paint the hair, the eyes and the lips of these all figures. Hair with black color. wheels of the car with black. See, our hair coloring is over now. Let us paint the details of eyes and lips with small brush. Now we are coloring the lips in red. Now we will be doing the outline for entire picture with black sketch pen. It gives get up to the picture. Outline to the Coconut Express नारियल पानी वाला. New technology. Our interesting chowpaty drawing, Dadar chowpaty drawing is over now. Let us have a close look. Horse ride, horse car ride, idli dosa, pav bhaji corner, bhel puri, pizza, ice cream, उगे, बुड्ढी का बाल, नारियल पानी. All are enjoying in the waves.
So friends, I am requesting again to subscribe my channel, press bell icon. With your inspiration, I am getting the motivation of creating new and nice videos. Thank you very much for watching my video.